Heck yeah, transporter ink. Refrigerated. I want to go check out this bad boy down here. I'm gonna go check this one out. It's bad right here. That one right there. Look at that thing. That thing's gangster. Reefer. The big sleeper. Oh yeah, dude, look at this thing. Let me stand back a little bit. It's not a spread axle, but it's still nice. Still a nice truck. Oh yeah. She bad. I like it. I think it's bad. Has step boxes on the frame. One has a little dink in it, but has a red pan, so you know it has an ISX in it. Heck yeah, this thing's bad, dude. All right, just wanted to show you a little bit of this truck. All right, thanks.